Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Today we want to do a quick unboxing of the 6S decoder. Inside of the box it will come with a power supply as well as remote and batteries and an HDMI cable. Just very briefly, I'd like to share with you guys, you can see that it does not have an RF out port. This device is, if you're going to want a picture in another room, you'll need to use an external modulator. Here we have our AV outputs, our HDMI output. It's got a USB, it'll supply power, but that's all it does for now. The LNB signal goes in over there, and the heartbeat also runs through here. So if you're using this decoder in an extra view installation, you might also need a diplexer. Please just bear that in mind if you are replacing an old decoder with this new generation decoder. All in all, it's quite straightforward. It has a built-in smart card. You can find all the details of the device on this sticker here. Its serial number as well as the smart card number. If you guys have any questions or comments, or you need some help with this device, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you. Have a great day.